Alright, welcome back to Honeydew Acres. Walk the animals real quick, say hello to the pigs, and just kind of check out what this winter wonderland is. I'm not sure if it's going to show up in the video or not, but it is snowing. We're supposed to get another 3 to 6 inches of snow tonight. How you doing, Clyde? You're not letting this winter get you down, are you? Four scoops of feed for the pigs. I'm not so scary, am I? What you looking for? You want me to bring over the good stuff, huh? Is this what you want? Now this little bit, that's for Mr. Handsome. And he's more of a pet. Well, he is a pet. It came with the house. There you go, Mr. Handsome. What are you still complaining about? Huh? The weather? Is it the snow? Yeah, I don't blame you. As you can see, our random hay mound is definitely starting to get considerably smaller. So, what do we want to grab here? This one maybe? Ooh, that's heavy. This one maybe? That's a little bit lighter. I don't know. What about this stuff over here? This is old. Yeah, it'll work. This one? That one's pretty heavy too. Ugh. Now this is some pretty stemmy stuff. There you go, Mr. Handsome. Let me throw. Oh, I know. Tell me about all your complaints. Show the people your beautiful little face. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pigs. I know. What am I doing to you guys, huh? Now see, from sitting on that concrete, the bottom gets moldy. They'll make good pig bedding. And they'll maybe eat what they want to out of it. What? Oh, and in case anybody is wondering, that electric wire, the one that you watched us build, has worked absolutely wonders. Cows don't even attempt to go over there. You can kind of see where they stop. What are you doing? Chomp, chomp, chomp. You guys are a muddy mess. I say a muddy mess. No, they don't seem to care. See you. Don't forget to pick up these. Still complaining. Still. Not the one that's attached. Yes, whatever. One tickle later. What are you whining about? Are you out of food too? I don't know. You got lots of food left. There you go. Somebody should really clean that mess up. Think I'm gonna dump any of those on the way there? It'll be fine until we go to bed. Well, we're done with the chores. I want to say thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking, watching. Come back and join us on Honeydew Acres. We got chicks on the way. I believe they should be here at the end of the month. We should have first 40 meat chickens. We got another chicken tractor to build. We're going to build the Salatin style, I believe it is called, so we can compare the two. We'll have calves coming, and then eventually we'll have piglets this fall. Again, thanks everybody.